Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. Today we are in Bikaner. So Bikaner is a city in the North India state of Rajasthan, east to the border of Pakistan. It is surrounded by the Thar desert and this city is known for the 16th century Junagadh fort, a huge complex of ornate buildings and halls. सो यहाँ पर सबसे ज़्यादा फेमस है जूनागढ़ फोर्ट जो मैं आपको आगे दिखाने वाली हूँ और द करणी माता टेम्पल दैट इज़ द होम टू मैनी रैट्स कंसिडर्ड सेक्रेड बाय हिंदू डिवोटीज़। सो ये फाउंड किया था राव बीकाजी ने। बीकानेर इज़ ऑल्सो फेमस फॉर द सैंड ड्यून्स एंड द डेजर्ट सफारी among the major attractions. So guys, we stayed at Hotel Chirag. This is a very nice property with almost a resort like feeling. So यहाँ पे we stayed in tents. So it's an altogether different experience to stay in these tents. You can see there's a relaxing area just outside your room. And from inside, it's like a tent from the top and there are like very thin walls to keep it warm in the chilly nights. There's an almirah and all the basic amenities that you look for in a hotel. There's a spacious washroom with a separate bathing area. So yeah, it's a very comfortable hotel. You can definitely opt in to stay over here when you are in Bikaner. Bikaner is 249 kilometers away from Jodhpur and 329 kilometers away from Jaisalmer. Bikaner is also known as the Camel Country as it is also home to one of the world's largest camel research and breeding farms. The major attractions are Junagadh Fort, National Research Center on Camel, Lalgarh Palace and Museum, the Rampuria Haveli. Let's first visit through the Junagadh Fort now. Junagadh is an impregnable bastion that holds the distinction of having never been captured. It was constructed in 1588 AD by Raja Rai Singh, one of the Emperor Akbar's most distinguished generals. The fort complex houses some magnificent pieces constructed in red sandstone and the marble. The visitors can feast their eyes on the attractive assortment of courtyards, balconies, kiosks, and windows. You can see these clearly. now we are off to the Lalgarh Palace, a breathtaking Rajasthani palace. This palace was built in European architecture style, now has been opened up for tourists as a heritage hotel, and the entire estate comes under the National Heritage Trust. The estate also houses a museum named Sri Sadul Museum. Now off to the Karni Mata temple. You all might have seen it in the famous series Mano Yana Mano. The Karni Mata temple is also popularly known as the Nari Mata temple or the Rat temple. It's a 600-year-old temple located around 30 kilometers from Bikaner in a small town of Deshnok in Rajasthan. What is unique about this temple is the fact that 25,000 black rats live here and are worshipped in the temple. In fact, the food that is eaten by them is considered to be holy and is later served as the prasad. These holy rats are also known as kabbas, and people from all over the world travel great distances to come and visit the temple to pay their respects to these rats. Numerous tales and legends are associated with the temple and the rats that live here, but no one knows the exact history of the unique shrine. There's a museum located just beside the temple wherein you can see the whole story of the Karni Mata. This beautiful temple is adorned by the fantastic marble facade and marble carvings that further add to the charm of this palace. The best time to visit this temple is in March, April, or the September, October when the fairs and festivals are in full swing. One can, however, visit the temple any time to offer the bhog and seek the blessings of the goddess. I hope you liked my Bikaner video. Stay tuned for more places of Rajasthan and some exciting places you should put on your bucket list. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.